Will she have finished the report by tomorrow?
Yes, she will have finished it by then.
Will they have arrived by noon?
Yes, they will have arrived by noon.
Will you have completed the project by next week?
Yes, I will have completed it.
Will we have eaten dinner by 8 p.m.?
Yes, we will have eaten by 8 p.m.
Will the plane have landed by 5 p.m.?
Yes, it will have landed.
Will she have moved to the new house by Saturday?
Yes, she will have moved by then.
Will they have started the meeting by 10 a.m.?
Yes, they will have started it.
Will the company have launched a product by July?
Yes, the product will have launched by July.
Will you have learned French by the end of the year?
Yes, I will have learned it by then.
Will the guests have left by midnight?
Yes, they will have left.
Will you have packed your bags by 7 a.m.?
Yes, I will have packed them.
Will we have cleaned the house by the time they arrive?
Yes, we will have cleaned it.
Will she have submitted the assignment by tomorrow?
Yes, she will have submitted it.
Will they have built the bridge by next month?
Yes, they will have built it.
Will the workers have completed the repairs by Friday?
Yes, they will have completed them.
Will you have cooked dinner by the time I get home?
Yes, I will have cooked it.
Will the train have departed by 6 p.m.?
Yes, it will have departed by then.
Will we have reached our destination by noon?
Yes, we will have reached it by noon.
Will they have fixed the car by the weekend?
Yes, they will have fixed it.
Will the team have finished the match by 9 p.m.?
Yes, they will have finished by then.
Will she have received her package by tomorrow?
Yes, she will have received it.
Will you have written the article by the deadline?
Yes, I will have written it.
Will we have organized the event by next month?
Yes, we will have organized it.
Will they have sent the invitations by Tuesday?
Yes, they will have sent them.
Will the students have taken the exam by next week?
Yes, they will have taken it.
Will you have paid the bills by the end of the day?
Yes, I will have paid them.
Will we have made the decision by tonight?
Yes, we will have made it.
Will she have called the client by 3 p.m.?
Yes, she will have called them.
Will they have painted the house by summer?
Yes, they will have painted it.
Will the children have done their homework by dinner?
Yes, they will have done it.
Will you have cleaned the garage by the weekend?
Yes, I will have cleaned it.
Will the meeting have finished by noon?
Yes, it will have finished by then.
Will they have published the book by the end of the year?
Yes, they will have published it.
Will you have prepared the presentation by Monday?
Yes, I will have prepared it.
Will the flowers have bloomed by spring?
Yes, they will have bloomed.
Will she have graduated by the end of this year?
Yes, she will have graduated.
Will they have installed the software by tonight?
Yes, they will have installed it.
Will you have ironed the clothes by the time I arrive?
Yes, I will have ironed them.
Will the concert have started by 7 p.m.?
Yes, it will have started by then.
Will they have repaired the road by next month?
Yes, they will have repaired it.
Will you have read the book by next week?
Yes, I will have read it.
Will we have decorated the room by the party?
Yes, we will have decorated it.
Will she have booked the tickets by Friday?
Yes, she will have booked them.
Will they have completed the training by next month?
Yes, they will have completed it.
Will the baby have fallen asleep by 10 p.m.?
Yes, the baby will have fallen asleep.
Will you have done the laundry by tomorrow?
Yes, I will have done it.
Will the delivery have arrived by the weekend?
Yes, it will have arrived.
Will she have learned the new skill by the end of the course?
Yes, she will have learned it.